Come test drive the 2022 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, dual exhaust, power brakes, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, premium sound system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.